What's going on, gamers? Hello, hello, hello. Cannot be officially first because you have no bits. Hi, Minty. Hello, welcome, welcome. So, today we are doing a little bit of programming for Mod Swap. Those of you who are here already know this. But doing a little bit of programming for Mod Swap. Going to be reprogramming Ghost's character Tetra to do a little bit of something different. Maybe we'll get to do it this stream, maybe not. We'll see. I've set up a bunch of things to intentionally distract me from my goal. So we'll see what we get done. But hello and welcome to everybody that's here. Mod Swap is a little bit of a Minecraft SMP that I'm cooking up at the moment. More information later, of course, but I am custom programming some origins for it, and that's what we're doing today. I've already got like 27 of these things, but we are reworking one of them. So let's get to it. Let's wha-bam. All right. As you can see here, we have a black void of nothingness, but we're going to change that a little bit. Hopefully as soon as OBS realizes that I'm playing Minecraft. Who broke Tetra? Why does it need to be fixed? Tetra is not up to Ghost's standards, so we're gonna fix that. Nobody broke Tetra. It was just a little bit of a boring kit, so we're gonna fix it up nice and good. We got our lo-fi in the background. We got our stream popping right now. Let me tell you. I'm gonna be jumping around tabs a little bit here, but primarily we've got Minecraft and of course
Thank you.
Hey, thanks for the Prime sub. Appreciate it very, very much. Where are you? What are you? Thank you, Pebble, for that spicy Prime sub. Let me tell you, fit to screen. There it is. Listen, I don't know what I'm doing here, man. Ugh. Is it? Holy shit, it's huge. Stop that. Yes, this is my little programming window. You like that? Yeah. Just gonna keep it down here. Genuinely love how all your channel is just you in some form. True. I made a little create machine here. Ignore that. All right. Let's go ahead. And so these are all just a bunch of different origins that I've made. Today we are looking at Tetra. So Tetra has a few perks, right? Natural armor, it's got 5 extra armor points, just base. Immunity to fire, poison, wither, can't drown, does have to eat iron though. So that is a drawback, but there are no active abilities, and we think that that's kind of boring and lame and stupid, stinky. So we're going to we're gonna fix that up a little bit here today. Woo. All right, let's get going. Okay, so here's my idea. I have a few different tabs open here. And just bear with me. I'm not a professional programmer by any stretch of the imagination, by the way. Jesus. So, we have mode switcher primary, mode switcher secondary, mode defense, and mode offense. My idea here is, we're just going to outline it, right? Is that you hit the primary button, it gives you a power, and then takes away a power. That puts you in like defense mode, right? And then the secondary takes away the other power and then gives you the offense power. So it's like a little mode switcheroo kind of deal. So first we're going to work on the primary. I've got my extra tab open right here. We are going to use an example taken directly from the front page of Origins. And we're going to pop it right there. This is an active, right? You press the button, and it consumes an item in your slot, and then does a thing. We are going to fix that up a little bit. So we're going to get rid of this condition here because we don't want it to eat whatever is in your slot. Key.use. This is going to instead be, I believe it's Origins. You know what? I can just go to a different. I could just steal this from a different thing. There. Primary active. We want it to, and I have my tab open here. Grant power. The API for Origins is rather good. Highly recommend it. Fuck. I'm dying. These are your final words that you get to say to me. Make them count. Yes, Origin grant power. Oh my. Hi Ghost, what's up? We're working on that little Origin mode switcheroo kind of deal. So, we're going to replace this action here with that. And I also am going to need to pull up a JSON validator. That one. Always validate your JSONs, people. Always validate your JSONs. Okay. So this one, instead of, it's going to be Origins grant power, but instead of the power being Origins burn and daylight, it's going to be mod swap, mode underscore defense. And then the source doesn't matter if I remember correctly. This, I want it to say something in chat, saying like what mode you're in. What if you don't know a JSON to validate? Sorry, I don't know what to tell you. Let's see. We want an entity action type. Make this a little bigger for you guys. Play sound. Well, there's remove power. Well, you know what? Actually, let's actually have remove power for the second active. All right, we're gonna select all of these up to where it ends. There we go. Origins revoke power. We want it to be mod swap, and it's going to remove mode underscore offense. Bonk and stronk mode. Yes, bonk and tonk. There you go. Source. I don't think this matters still. We'll know if it matters whenever it doesn't work, which it inevitably won't. Okay, we have this, right? That's our mode switcher primary. We're going to take this, copy and paste it right over here. We're gonna have this one do the opposite. So, I apologize if I have to pause. I just got out of wisdom tooth surgery. Wisdom tooth surgery! So, that one's gonna be the secondary. And then this one's going to instead grant the power of mode underscore offense. And revoke the power of mode underscore defense. There you go. So, the main thing here now is to go over to Tetra here. We're going to give you mode switcher primary, and then mode switcher secondary. There you go. So those are part of your character's power set officially. If it works, we're going to do a quick /reload. And if it works, then it'll pop up whenever I try to reset my origin. Again, thank you for the Prime, Pebble. It was very, very appreciated. You didn't have to do that. Okay. The primary one's working. Secondary is not. And why would that be? Is it because I'm a big, stupid doo-doo face? Yes, actually. How did you guess? Make sure that's formatted better. We're gonna figure it out. We're gonna figure it out, chat. Just kind of stick this in the corner there. Waggle! Congratulations. You've discovered the waggle. Should render false continuous true. That's probably should also be false. Waggle waggle. Let's put open and close brackets on these. Just for my sanity. You've discovered the waggle. No. What are you going to do with this kind of power? Whoops. Okay. I spend a lot of time debugging, just flipping through damn origins. Okay. And why wouldn't you work? Why wouldn't you? Meowdy! Hello, Soup. Lovely to see you here. Hey. You are always my favorite. Sorry, Pebble. It just People Soup! Yes.
I have the power of God and anime on my side.
Hey. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate it. You see how it is now. You understand the truth. Maybe I spelled something wrong on Tetra's file. Mode switcher secondary. It's a capital M. That's the problem. See? One mistake. That's all it takes. That's all it takes, and everything goes crumbling down. Encoding overloaded. How's the stream? Does it look good, guys? Oh, fuck. Okay, Origin GUI. And we're going to swap over to Tetra. There we go. So they're both there now. Fantastic. Beautiful, one could say. Jay, amazing gamers! Oh my god, there's so many familiar faces. Hello, hello. All right. This is my first time rage baiting, please bait. I'm pissed. You're so popular. Thank you. Oh my god. Guys. I accidentally typed plus and minus on here because that's the hotkeys that I use to do that. Whoops. Fuck. What was I doing? Oh yeah. So we have the things now. We can name them so that we don't we can have this one name. We're gonna name it let's see, it grants so we're gonna call it defense mode, right? Comma. And then this one, we're gonna do the exact same thing. Cooking right now, what's up? Are you cooking soup, possibly? And this one's gonna be called offense. Offensive Mode. Yes. Chinese barbecue chicken. Damn. Okay. All right. Good stuff. What am I doing? I am programming some custom-made origins for a funny thing that I am doing. Gonna reload that. Next thing we have to do is make sure it works. So you always gotta iterate. Always gotta do stuff. Oh, my game is crashing. The resolution of my game has changed. The hell? Alright, I need you to... Fuck! Ow! Stop! Jesus Christ. Chill out. Calm the hell down. Okay. We reloaded. Yes. Go over to Tetra. So, defensive mode, offensive mode. We're gonna select that. What do I have to do to make you break it or worse? Don't make them break it. Don't make me break it. Who's breaking? What's the funny thing? The funny thing is a fun little SMP that I am throwing together called Mod Swap. It's gonna be epic. It's gonna be sick and nutty. I've got a bunch of people together, a bunch of content creators together, and we're gonna have a good time. Sounds fun? Oh, it will be. I'm sure it will be. So what we gotta do is we gotta do /power list Sisyphus. We have 6 powers. Eat iron amphibious, mode switcher primary, mode switcher secondary, eat raw iron, can't eat. That is correct. Now, based on our origin, really quick, I gotta rebind the O key. Oh, it'll be chaotic as hell. It'll be so chaotic. Can I put that on, like... Yeah, put it on right bracket. That's a good one. So, G should give us the defense power, and then tilde. Tilde will give us the offensive power. So if I press G, wabam, okay, and then I do power list again for Sisyphus still, I have the same powers. So, it didn't work. This is why we go back to iterating. Why wouldn't it have worked? So talented. Yeah, I know. I'm so talented that I fucking suck at programming. Coding is scary. Coding's very terrifying. I mean, it's shit. Don't do that to me. Is the source... Hold on, let me see. Source, namespace, and ID of the power. Hey guys, I lied. This does actually matter. Whoops. Why does it have to be the name, source, name of the power? Watching origin coding videos tonight to help? Yeah. No, it's a great idea. I'm gonna assume that the source is, Tetra? We're gonna give that, we're gonna send it with that and see if that actually works. Because again, like I've said for so many things, if it just works, I am not going to complain. Alright, reloading that, I will... Oh, how we doing, chat? We doing good? Are we having fun? That's really good, because I'm not. Kill me. Alright. Let's... makes your life a billion times harder. Oh, this mode's... You think so? It's not that bad. Listen, I appreciate learning new things. So, power list Sisyphus. I have the same 6 powers from before if I press G. It didn't work. Okay. Now I'm confused. Oh, because this says example tetra. Not mod swap tetra, probably. This one also says example tetra for some reason. Why would I do that to myself? I'm a fool! Alright. Reload again. Sudden face cam scary music, it's my specialty. You should check out my streams that I don't do sometimes. I do it a lot. I'm fucking sneeze. Don't create group. Okay. Alright, Tetra. You. Power list. Yes, yes, yes. Press G. Okay. Press tilde this time. Alright, it didn't work. Is it meant to change the exact powers or activate, deactivate the powers? What it is doing is it is adding and removing powers from you. Yeah, I true comboed the webcam with the sneeze. So one thing I can do is I can make it run a command instead. So /power grant Sisyphus mod swap. This would be it doesn't show up on here. Rather odd. What are the powers going to be like? So the defensive mode is going to be more like what he has now, which is like immunity to a bunch of things. Immunity to like lava, poison, wither. And then the offensive mode is going to be like a speed and damage buff, and you have to choose between one and the other. You can't have them both at the same time. So I'm working on it. Oh yeah, I was running the command. Shit. Oh god, it's all gone to shit. It's all done. It's all screwed up. Okay. Power list. So if I do /power grant Sisyphus mod swap, it could be that I may need to relog my game. That could be the case. Or perhaps it doesn't recognize the modes because I haven't typed anything into them. So let me really quick just like load up a really, really basic example power onto both of them. Ooh. I don't know why I'm so, like, sniffly all of a sudden. The hell? Chat, what did you do to me? Yep. Alright, save both of those. Another automaton immune to potions, so I'm glad this is being implanted. I am doing my best. Effects, not potions, yes. Alright, reload. I will do my best. Which reminds me, what kind of potions do we have in the game? Okay. Just waiting. Resistance and strength. Ah, it's too easy. It's too easy. I mean, it's more or less the same amount of like experimenting that I have to do, so it's like okay. /power grant Sisyphus mod swap. What's it called again? Is it defense or defensive? Mode _ defense. I'm an idiot. I'm dumb. Was granted the power from source of poly command. Very good. See the tetra, those are different characters. That is correct. Okay. Instead of doing it this way, we are instead going to have it run commands, which is just as easy, if not easier, than this. Tetra is you, Tetra is ghost, yeah. So instead you do origins : execute _ command. This becomes command. And then you just put the command there. And that's it. And I'm going to have it run, this one run a command that removes the power. So let me make sure that I can remove the power. Flash power, revoke Sisyphus. Mod swap. Mode, I put mod wap. Mode _ defense. Had the power removed. There you go.
I have the power of God and anime on my side.
Thanks, fam. Yeah, thank you for the follow. So yeah, we're just gonna have it run commands. Easy, easy. So the command we had here was revoke grant mode _ defense. Boop, 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 boop. Boom. Just like that. And then this one's going to be the same thing. Execute. I cannot type. Oh my god. Execute command. And then we are going to have the command be this, but different. Instead, it's going to be power revoke mode _ offense. There you go. We're going to take this entire list, Control C. I'm gonna go over here to this list and Control V. Easy peasy. Coding is so fun, guys. So fun. So this one is going to grant mode _ offense, and then this one is going to grant mode _ or remove mode _ defense. Let's reload. Try it again. You guys having fun? I have blurb alerts down in the panels below, as well as like a bunch of things you can redeem your points, channel points for, if you so choose. So much fun. So much fun, guys. It's a lot of fun. Ugh. Honestly, the worst part about it is waiting in between these mod pack or these data pack reloads. Hello, Tetra. Power list Sisyphus. I will press G. Chat.
Success.
It fucking worked, baby. All right. So, it added mode _ defense. If I press tilde, run the command again, it took away mode _ defense, added mode _ offense. There you go, baby. That's how it's done. All right, all right, all right. Is the SCP just friends and streamers? That is correct, yes. It is 27 friends / streamers. It'll be fun. And like, I plan to maybe one day open up these kinds of projects to more public means, but for right now it is just amongst friends who are working on the project with me. Okay. We've got the mode switcher to work. Now what we need to do is we need to decide what mode defense and mode offense are gonna do. So I'm gonna go to power types. Whenever I don't have like an active screen, I'm on the Origins documentation, where they have everything listed down. So we're gonna do modified damage dealt, or modified damage taken rather. Mm-hmm. Sorry, gamers, sorry. Give me one moment. Okay, I'm gonna copy and paste this over into this. That is not what I copied. Copy. Paste. There you go. Modify damage taken. Which actually reminds me. I'm thinking. My brain's blasting. Okay, hold on. I have an idea. So I'm going to have it grant / remove a bunch of effects, but in order to do that I need to find another power that I had programmed. It's called Sanctuary because I like half got it from another thing. But we want the entity action. Ugh. I'm weak with like just passive traits, you know what I mean? Just things that like happen. So what I need this to do is power types. We want it action on callback. Like, yeah, like passive abilities, things that just like, you know what I mean? Okay, this is what we want. This is what we want right here. We want... Ooh, we don't want to edit that. So, action on callback. And we want it to be... entity action gained. This literally just means whenever the power is added to your character, it will perform the listed action. Easy enough, right? Here's the funky part. Get rid of you. We want this to be origins and. That just lets us have attach multiple effects onto the same effect. In other words, gaming. Shiro Kappa redeemed. For you, I'll toss in an extra. Welcome. We're doing a wee bit of programming here. Surprise! Yeah, hello. How are you doing, man? I am programming. You've been lurking for half an hour. My God, that's the entire length of the stream, you dick. Okay, origins and. There you go. So this is gonna be type, we're gonna do execute command. Execute _ command, of course. This is going to be the thing that executes first, right? So we want this one to be the thing that clears all of the effects. Switching modes is going to clear effects off of you. It is like a pseudo immunity to effects. So, this is going to be... Oh, see ya. See you around, scuba. So this is going to be effect, slash effect clear at S, which is just the person who's executing the command, the player. Then we're going to have it apply. This is defense, so I think actually regeneration is appropriate. But you know how we're gonna do this? We're gonna do it with more commands. I love slash execute command. Or I love just execute command. Because I can just do effect regeneration at S infinite. There you go. Right. I can remove that semicolon there. Let me go validate this. Make sure that all is good in the world. All is not good in the world. The world is bad, the world is evil, and I hate it. Okay, I just need an extra bracket. It's fine. The world is beautiful, and I love it. Pop this over to offense mode. Instead of regeneration, this is just going to be strength. Right? And we're going to see if it works. How you doing, D, by the way? Tell me you're doing good, Pookie Bear. Please. Let me update our thing here. There we go. Oh, man. My desk is a goddamn mess. Oh my god. I have so much crap on my desk. I have like pill bottles because I wisdom tooth surgery. I have to take antibiotics. Good god. All right. Back to Tetra. Okay, defense mode, offense mode. It should give me and clear the effects as I press the buttons. Doing a Benji side story? Hell yeah, dude. Just cleaned your desk the other day. It was awful. Listening to the cogs of Tetra. Yeah. No, you get to see all the insider bits, all the good stuff. You know what I mean? All right. Let's press G. Okay. It did not give us the effect, so something is wrong. Let's do slash power list mode offense. Mode defense. It is giving us the power, but it's not properly executing the command. So let's go check this out. It could be this. Let me see. Power types. Action on callback. Entity action gained. If specified, this action will be executed on the player when the power is added to the entity for the first time, it says. So that might be the issue. Could be the issue. Maybe is the issue. Perhaps we want entity action added instead. Let's try that. So do that, and then do that. This is the fun part, where we have to iterate over and over again until our heads explode. This is the process I went through for pretty much all of the other Origins, except the main difference was that the Origins Discord is so helpful. Has a bunch of powers that are kind of programmed beforehand, which is just amazing. They are going to get so many mentions in the goddamn description of any video I make. Ugh. Okay, defensive mode, offensive mode. Okay, still not working. Mode offense, or press that one. Mode defense. Mode offense. Okay, it's still switching things around. We're not shitting our pants just yet. Specify this action will be executed on the player when the power is removed from the entity and right after the player respawns. Let's try that. Worst case scenario, we have to, whoops. Worst case scenario, we have to switch the names around, which is fine. Okay. Oh man, it'd be really sad if you guys gave me money. If you gave me bits. Please don't. I'm gonna feel very bad about it. Ugh. Well, honestly, if you did, I'd feel very grateful. It'd be very generous of you. And I would appreciate it. You would have my eternal appreciation. Okay. I did a stupid. There we go. Is 40 bits limit? How do you mean? Is there a limit on something? If there is no work, what no work? What is it working? No. Okay, this isn't working. this is what's not working. Is it the command maybe? Yo!
Thank you.
Why, thank you, good sir, for that tier 1 sub. My appreciation is eternal, and my day has been saved. It was ruined. My day was ruined, and it was awful before, but now you made it a good day, so. So we're at, like, baseline now. But no, really, I appreciate it. Thank you. You may now watch with no ads, even though ad blockers are still a thing. Bless. I might have the commands wrong. Hold on. I have the commands wrong. I had the commands wrong the entire time. Slash effect give. Whoopsies. Oh, Jay, have you seen your origin? Good God. It goes sicko mode. Ugh. Let me show your origin really quick. Let's see. There it is. Genos Mazaraf, the one who left it all behind. JJK reference. Well, you have 5 extra hearts. You have a little teleport ability. You kind of like... Oh, you haven't seen it yet. Okay. Then maybe it'd be better to show you. Let's get like a spawn egg of a skeleton or something that'll try and kill me. Cave spider. Okay. So, I'm in survival mode. You have the 5 extra hearts, right? You have the teleport, which is literally just a, like, instant, there's no sound effect, you just blink forward. You do take a little bit of damage if you try and blink too far or blink through a solid object. You can blink through transparent objects. So, you have, you gotta stay light with the armor. You dodge the first attack you receive, and then you have your increased or decreased mana regen, and then shadow step. So I will show those off now. Spider, hit me. So that's your first dodge, right? It goes on a little cooldown there. Show it off again once it comes off cooldown. But it's like a leap backwards. Right? Pretty sick. And then if you take damage, while you are crouching. It went on cooldown. Whoops. If you take damage while you're crouching, it didn't work. Oh, wait, I'm poisoned. That's why it's doing that shit. Oh, yeah, okay. Getting poisoned kind of fucks with it a little bit. You teleport behind them. There you go. Quickly, kill it. But yes, that's your funny origin. It is a like fully melee focused thing. I know. It's very cool. It's very cool. Damn it! It's not working. Okay. Well, now that the command is correct, right? What if we changed it back to added? Surely that will work. Surely doing the thing that I already tried will work. What you looking at, punk? Let me know if I need to increase the programming window, or if Minecraft is more interesting. Okay, we have our guy. We don't appear to be gaining the effects still. It is at S, right? I'm not crazy. Regeneration infinite. The command works here. Oh, I'm stupid. Guys, I'm stupid. Chat. I'm the big dumb. I'm the big stupid. It's slash effect give Minecraft regeneration. God damn it. This is what I do. This is my labor of love for you people. I feel very dumb because I literally could have typed in the command and then copy pasted it. Good job, Hayden. Good job. It should work now. 40 bits! You're crazy. Thank you. Appreciate the biddies. Have my bits. You are now the #1 bit donator. How does it feel? For now. For now, you're the #1 bit donator. Let me refresh that tag there. All right. Put your bets in the chat. Will it work now, or will it not? Do we have believers or do we have doubters in the chat? I'm gonna press the tilde first. Ew. What's up, Alma? All right. Well, it's still not working. Doubt, unfortunately. Fuck you, man. Damn it. It's not working. Loving your work Wi-Fi. Too true, too true. All right, let's dive into this a little bit. Why isn't it properly doing the thing? I don't know, maybe I have the order wrong. Maybe it is just simple as this, right? Could be better. Hope your day's been well. My day's been solid. I can't really complain too much. Mouth still hurts, but I truck on. as they say. Regeneration. What is that word? Regeneration? Fuck. Such trash at this. We're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. Thank you again for the bits. Appreciate. Alright, origin GUI. Back to Tetra. Okay, it's not that the order is wrong. So we're going to switch that around. And then switch that back. I think it's this entity action added bit. I think that's the issue. What about entity action chosen? That says it does it at all layers, so... maybe? If it does work, I'm gonna shit my pants on stream right now. I'm going to poopy my pants, poopy my diaper. It's gonna be a spectacle, a brown spectacle for everybody to see. All right, my pants remain unsoiled today. But why do they remain unsoiled? See, this is what I was worried about. That I would get fucking stun locked into doing this. Excuse me. Coding is like reading. I can't. Mood. Interesting. Effect give at S Minecraft strength infinite. If I like effect give at S Minecraft whatever the fuck infinite. That is the command. Chat, tell me what I'm doing wrong. Tell me. I do have to select one of these to be on by default. We'll have this one be like default. So execute when chosen orb. No. Sorry. Jokes. It's on this one. Time first or amplifier first? It's amplifier then time. So yeah, infinite and then amplifier. And then hide particles, which I definitely do want to do eventually. But like that command works. Action on callback. The powers are getting added. That's the thing. The powers are getting added and removed properly. But the action isn't going through. Entity action chosen, type origins and... Hold on. Let me try something. We're just gonna have this one give like another effect. Minecraft speed. Infinite speed. And then this one instead is going to be, because there is a thing you can do whenever you can do entity action lost to have it like taken away. The powers are the first two powers that we made are working, but not this one. These ones aren't properly like updating or something. This one's gonna be resistance infinite. Make sure to have that at S there, baby. Okay. Like that. Let's see if that works. My brain processes. The point icons are eyebrows. They're eyebrow points. You pay with my luscious thick eyebrows. Alright. My theory here is that maybe the /clear command is executing at the same time as the other one, and it's just causing it to not exist. Right? Okay, my theory was wrong. Let me try something. I'm literally just going to like full copy paste the example that's on the website and see if it works. So entity action chosen. Yeah, entity action chosen. This, all of this. Yeah. Wait. Hold on. I did it wrong, like most things in my life. I did it wrong. Let's see if that works. Just the full thing there. Wasn't expecting a jump scare. Perhaps you should have been expecting the jump scare. Expect the unexpected. Like, expect this to work now. Apologies, I realize that that's been covering most of the screen this entire time. Alright, it doesn't work. Undo. Why doesn't it work, though? You know what I mean? Hold on, let me pull up a different thing. I have another power. Shit. Okay. This doesn't work. Never mind. That's what I'm saying. You're scared. You're terrified now. Alright. Different idea. Instead of it just updating immediately, we're going to have it happen when you take damage. We're pivoting. This is what we do. We're pivoters, all right? We're fucking pivoting, okay? God, I hate you guys. You guys suck. All right. Hi, folks. I'm back. Was bullying Wolfie. Oh, fantastic. Tell Wolfie to come bully us, because we need the viewers more. She gets more views than I do, because she streams more. Okay. When damage taken, we're pivoting. So type when damage taken, entity action. Okay. So Origins action on callback is instead going to be action when damage taken. And then this is just going to be entity action. And it should be exactly the same. Don't talk to me about viewers. I got 2 on my create stream last night. Then maybe you should have... I don't know. I can't give you streaming advice. Do I look like some kind of streamer to you? Entity action. This should work, right? I'm not crazy. Yes. Yeah, yes. Oh, I thank you. Appreciate. I'm like a streamer or something. Shit, I dropped my water bottle. All I see is peak streamer right now. All I see is peak person, bro. Hey, W person. W person in the chat. I need more water. Shit. When damage taken. And then this, get rid of that. Okay, we're gonna send it with this instead. It will require us to... Nah, bro, you're a W person. What just happened? Bro is the green vibe. What the hell does that mean? All right. Someone hit me. Wait, hold on. I'm in defensive mode right now. That didn't work. Stop getting scared. Listen, you can't get scared at everything, okay? Hey, you hit me. All right. Chat, that's not working. Let's validate that the JSON is working. That would probably cause it to not work. Okay, what about you? That one's working. Okay, weird. Offense mode was a little borked up, as they say. Okay. You know how many goddamn times I've typed in /reload? Too many. Too many to count, good sir. Too many. Exactly. That is what I am saying. Alright. Survival mode. Hit me. Somebody hit me. Where the hell am I? Just running around looking for people. Alright, I'm in defensive mode. Come at me. I'm in offensive mode. Defensive mode. Offensive mode. Defensive mode. Offensive mode. Fuck. Entity action. Okay. Let's, instead of doing a command here, we are instead going to use the apply effect type. Reloading more than a COD Pro after a kill. Yeah. You know how strong my fingers are for the purpose of specifically reloading? Very strong. Sorry, it's just so beautiful. Defense mode, resistance, comma. And then you, regeneration, It's gonna feel like be like a short time period. It's like an adaptive sort of thing. So you get hit and then you get the effect, right? Entity action. That one bullet makes the biggest difference. It's true. Listen, I shoot 2 times and then I have to reload like a 40 round clip. It just be like that. Expecting end of function. What? Wait, what's wrong with this? Oh. Wait, is that because that's not supposed to be there? Validate? Not quite. Alright, instead, let's try. So, entity actions, type, origins, apply effect. We're going to just, whoop. We're going to do that instead. Slow falling and slowness. That'll work, right? God damn, I am tweaking right now. Trying to get these code to work. Okay. We're going to throw it all right there too. Offense is going to be, it's going to give you that speed. This is the hard part. The debugging is the hard part, and it's going to give you that strength. Boom. And then defense is going to give you that resistance. And it's going to give you that regeneration. I can spell. Look at me go. What did I just do? Oh, okay. All right. Chat, if this doesn't work, I don't know what I'm gonna do, man. The wife took the kids. And now I have nothing. Okay. All right, let's see if it works. Give it extra power. Exactly. That's what I'm trying. I'm trying. All right. Defensive formation. Bye, Alma. Have a lovely day. Absolute cinema. All right. Defensive mode. See that shit? All right. We're in offensive mode. Yes! Oh, I gotta tweak those numbers a bit, but that is exactly what we wanted. That's the hard part done. There we go. We're going to not show the icon or the particles. It's only gonna last for 100 ticks, which, hey, that's 5 seconds in Minecraft. There you go. Yes, it works. It goddamn works. Strength. That's false. False. 100 ticks. And now there is going to be a cooldown on swapping between your modes, right? So this guy, HUD render true. It's gonna have a cooldown of, it's gonna be like 150 ticks. So it's gonna be just above the amount, right? You gotta swap in and out of your modes to keep your effects up. Okay. Now, let's do something a little bit different. Because we have the cooldowns now, they're going to render a little bar in, right? Ooh. Let me shrinky dinky that. There we go. Okay. So, because of that, it's going to render a little bar in the corner. You can't see it because this is in the way. A little bar there. That is your powered's cooldown. Right? So if I press G, it swapped over to defensive mode, and then it swapped over to offensive mode. And now it's not giving you the thing, but, like, why? It's because of something I did, obviously. There's no comma here, or here. And there's no comma here, or here. That was the issue. But, now Borkin, exactly. I know what I did, it's fine. But, I'm going to pull a thing from a different ability. Let's do time step, why not? It's a fly. So this little guy here has a wonderful, Origins, I should say, has a wonderful thing where it has some built-in little icons that you can use. These little textures right here. So, I'm going to be using this command here. We're going to pop that right into the mode switchers. Yep. And yep. And we are going to go to this location here. And we're going to find like a shield icon and a sword icon so that you know the difference. And I'm just on my browser right now. No. I exceeded a secondary rate limit. Okay, buddy. I am not allowed to load GitHub. The hell is a GitHub rate limit? Huh? I've never seen that before. That's wild. Is GitHub down? No, GitHub is not down. Have we just decided that I'm using GitHub too much? Am I gonna become too powerful? Okay, there it is. It's working now. Wild. Wow. Okay, I'm rate limited again. The hell? GitHub. Alright, fine. I just wanted to see the images that are being provided to me. But GitHub is being the big dumb right now. This is gonna be kind of a replacement. I'm gonna tweak the numbers a little bit, but everything works A-okay. And I'm probably going to add like other things that aren't just this. But the gist is there. Ow. Thank you, GitHub. Index 1 on this one is a good defensive. Looks great. It looks okay. We're gonna get it looking good right here. So that's index 1. Save that. And then for the offense, we want a good sword icon, or an axe would be good. Actually, index 2 looks pretty spicy. High torque mode. Stand back, I'm in high torque mode. That's what I say to my wife. Oh, true. High torque mode and low torque mode is like defense and offense. Ah, that's a good point. I'm getting hit. You can't get me in here. Ha! Idiot. Uh-oh. Okay. Oh, I didn't reload, did I? Because gears and load bearing. Yeah, oh yeah, no. I went to school for engineering. I know all about torque, unfortunately. Oh, it's not working. Why don't you work? Tell me why you do not work. Funnies, I hate it. Engineering is fun. Occasionally. And then it's not fun. And then you hate everything. It's all about problem solving, you know what I mean? Oh, I know what I did wrong. I put the thing in the wrong place. That is always how it works, isn't it? Control X should render true. Put the comma there. And instead, put the thing here. Control C. That should work instead. Love-hate relationship is exactly right. I have a love-hate relationship with engineering. Cause bro, I love solving problems. Why do you think I'm doing this, huh? Why do you think I'm programming for a hobby? But also, you know what I mean? Alright, we have Tetra. That is a bomb. Why is it a bomb? Why are they both bombs? I wanted that one to be index 1 and this one to be index 0, I guess? I mean, the icons changed. Apologies. Screaming into the void. Yeah. That's engineering. Ugh. Once I get this solved, though, we're gonna be golden. And I'm gonna add like a particle effect and a what's it called? A sound effect with it as well. It's gonna be awesome. Screaming in joy when it works. Like this. Everything broke. Is this not? Oh, it's not. It's not the thing at all. I'm the big stupid. All right. Apologies. Control S, Control S. This should do it. Game no crash. Game not crash. No, no, no. My game never crash. Game never crash. I don't know what this accent is. Tetra. Oh. Offense mode has been borked. Why? It's because there's no, there it is. Reload. Oh, baby. Let me tell ya. This is gonna be good when it works. This is what I gotta do for, like, one kinda complicated power. They're both swords for some reason. But that's like... But why are they both swords? Oh, they're both bar index 1. 2. There you go. Origin GUI. Well, now one's a foot. Why is that one a foot? That's index 3, you goob. I'm gonna figure this out. It will be the last thing I ever do. Bro, I want Sonic. Yo, Ghost, you ever had Sonic before? Fuck. Shit's good. Oh, wait, Ghost, you're not... Oh, you're British. Damn it. You can't relate. No! The one thing I had that could relate to you. I kid. Those are the correct icons now. Thank God, finally. So I press G. Boom, defensive mode. That icon goes on cooldown. Dog hit me. I don't get the resistances. Oh, wait. Oh, the icons just don't show. Yeah. They're the icons. So, like, while you're in defensive mode, you're hard to kill. You got regen, you got resistance, right? And then, boom, I'm going to go offensive mode. Hit me. And I get the speed and I get the strength. And then I can bam, bam, swap between the two. Glad that I had the screen in the way for that. But there you go. That's the power. It downright is functional, my friend. That's the main concept of it. I'm gonna, hold on. That is the concept of it. I hope that works for you. It's much more of an active kind of thing, rather than just passively just kind of sitting there and just kind of tanking things. So I'm gonna tweak the numbers on this a little bit. I'll probably add like one extra effect per thing. Like the defense mode can probably have like I'll probably give it like regen 2, but also make you glow, right? Because like your defense mode. Oh wait, no. I'll make offense mode glow, because like you're heating up, you deal more damage, right? But you're glowing. And then defense mode, I'll give it slowness. I'll give it slowness, and then I'll up the numbers on both of them. That's the one. There you go. All right. It's been a fun stream, my friend, but it's high time that I end it because my head hurts and my teeth hurt. So I will be seeing you in Mod Swap, my friend, and I'll be streaming more soon, hopefully. Alrighty. Y'all have a good day.